story. Breaking news coming in where Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has raised the red flag over an alleged conspiracy behind rising religious conversions. The Vice President delivered the inaugural address at the Hindu Spiritual and Seva Mela in Jaipur, calling the actions of religious conversions antithetical to Indian values as well as the Constitution. Dhankar has said the preamble of the Indian Constitution reflects the essence of Sanatan Dharma. Listen in.
हमारे संविधान के मूल्य बेखूबी सनातन धर्म को परिभाषित करते हैं। प्रस्तावना में सनातन धर्म नीति है। Our constitutional values emanate from Sanatan Dharma. The source of our constitutional values can be seen in Sanatan Dharma. The preamble of the Indian Constitution reflects a sense of Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan is all-inclusive. Sanatan is the only way for humanity to move forward.
And that is the philosophical pitch coming in from the Vice President. I'm joined by my colleague Payal Mehta on the broadcast. So Payal, this has been the stand of the BJP camp for the longest time, that Sanatan values are reflected in the constitution of the country. But at the same time, this also becomes fodder for the opposition camp, which claims that the BJP government wants to saffronize even aspects of the constitution.
Well, of course, it's going to give enough fodder to the opposition to actually target the BJP government, even though, you understand that when the Vice President of India speaks, he doesn't speak as a member of, particular party. He speaks as a constitutional post as well. And that is something which, of course, the BJP's argument will be. But, in today's day, when everything goes viral on social media, Ayushman, there are a lot of connotations which are drawn. Of course, has been speaking on very, very contentious issues for a very, very long time now.
Absolutely. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar over there making it very clear that his stand is that Sanatan Dharma is reflected in various aspects of the Constitution. He has also raised the red flag over an alleged conspiracy behind rising religious conversions. Delivering the inaugural address at the Hindu Spiritual and Seva Mela in Jaipur, he called the actions of religious conversions antithetical to Indian values and the Constitution. He has also said that the preamble, as I was saying, of the Indian Constitution reflects the essence of Sanatan Dharma. But this has also sparked a political war of words. Let's listen in.
Honorable Vice President of India is himself the custodian of Indian Constitution. And if he has some apprehensions that there are some structured religious conversions happening in this country, then maybe he should bring this to the notice of the central government. And then it is the central government's responsibility whether they want to take cognizance of the allegations of Honorable Vice President or not. In fact, Honorable Vice President will also have to substantiate about his allegations regarding the religious conversion.
कांग्रेस पार्टी वोट बैंक की राजनीति में इतनी लीन हो चुकी है कि जो इतना बड़ा डेमोग्राफिक थ्रेट बनकर उभरा है, जिस पर हाई कोर्ट भी बोलता है, जिस पर अलग अलग प्रकार से बातें लगातार उठती जा रही है, और इसका सबसे बड़ा खामियाजा हमारे देश के आदिवासी समाज के लोग भुगतते हैं। जब उनके पक्ष से बात की जाती है कि इस प्रकार का डेमोग्राफिक ओवरवेलमिंग सिचुएशन पैदा ना किया जाए, और वो भी इलीगल रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन के द्वारा, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी उसका विरोध करने लगती है। कांग्रेस पार्टी संविधान के साथ खड़ी है, या कांग्रेस पार्टी वोट बैंक के नाम पर इस प्रकार की हरकतों के साथ खड़ी है?